Obsidian crossed 8 million users in 2026 and has 800 plus community plugins. But most new users spend weeks tweaking settings instead of taking notes. This guide gets you productive in 30 minutes. Start with just 4 folders. Inbox, capture everything here. Notes, permanent, process notes, templates, and attachments. That's it. Resist the urge to create 20 folders up front. Let your structure emerge from actual usage, not theoretical organization. Install only these to start. Templater for dynamic templates, Calendar for daily note navigation, Data View for database-like queries, Quick Switcher++ for instant navigation, and natural language dates for typing next Tuesday in date fields. Every other plugin can wait. Your daily note is your cockpit. Each day auto-generates with sections, tasks, log, and notes. Capture everything here throughout the day, then process during your evening review. Move permanent notes to the Notes folder, complete or reschedule tasks. Simple, sustainable, powerful. Complete screen recording setting up a fresh Obsidian Vault, installing plugins, configuring settings, creating templates, and demonstrating the daily workflow from capture to process knowledge. Download my pre-configured Obsidian Vault starter from the description. All plugins, templates, and settings ready to go. Just open an Obsidian and start writing.